Yeah. You get that Lego. If Mark leaves his Legos around, it's his own fault. Oh, Lou. Is that little puppy frustrating you? Hi, Big Liz. Hi, little Liz. Hi, Annie. Hi, Annie. Not too interested, huh? Oh, that's because this was the ball you were playing with. Annie, Annie. Annie. Annie, Annie. Hey, Lou. Itty bitty little puppy wants a Lego. Don't eat it. Just put a few teeth marks in it, just to let Mark know that he shouldn't have left his Legos out. Hey, Louie. Do you want me to get your squeaky chicken? The squeaky chicken.